Hi there, my name is Chris Padilla. I'm the eco-solvent product manager here at Mutoh America. I'm here to talk to you today about the all-new XpertJet 1641 and 1682 printers. I have right here beside me our 1682 variant. This is the dual head model. It can come in either 4-color or 7-color. It has print speeds up to just over 1,000 square feet an hour. A couple of the new features about the XpertJet printers versus the old ValueJet printers is internal LED lighting. We also put a new touch panel on the printer as well. Different pressure settings for your media. We also have a completely new redesigned feed system on the back. We've also made it a lot easier to do some maintenance on the printer. Opened up inside here a lot, easier maintenance for the customers. We've added a new color sensor that automatically calibrates bi-directional alignments to save time and reduce variations. We've also included a storage tray on top of the printer so you can store your tools, knives, whatever you got. We're also using the brand new MS41 inks in our XPJ printers. This ink is Green Guard Gold certified, so you're going to be able to put this ink in hospitals, daycares, etc. This ink is got to have a little bit better of a dot gain, better adhesion, and a little bit wider of a gamut over the older VJ inks. This ink is offered in 1,000 milliliter packs as well as 300, but those are coming soon. Some of the popular applications this printer is suited for would be wraps, heat transfer, banners, signage, decals, canvas, and much more. For more information about our printers, you can log on to www.mutoh.com or contact your local Mutoh dealer for additional information. Thank you and have a good day.